Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So today we learn how to get ring light filter on Snapchat. Guys, this is very simple process. You can get this filter very easily, so let's get start the video. First we tap on Snapchat and open the front camera and tap on the right side on flash and you can see ring light effect is very easy to use. You can get easily big frame and small frame like this, and you can change the ring lights colors like this, and you have three colors effect in ring light: warm, cool and light. So I hope you like the video, and guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video and leave the comment in below. And I hope this video very helpful for you. Take care. Bye bye.